Hi friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you one important technique of bringing back a specification tree once it's lost. So this particular problem is faced by most of the Catia users, and especially the beginners, because when they are working, sometimes the beginners they simply they scroll their mouse so that the specification tree goes up and they cannot find it after that. So once it is lost beyond a certain limit, it's very difficult to get back, and you need to completely reinstall the software at times. So this can be reset by a very easy technique which I'm going to show you right now. So before that, let me just show you how it's gonna how this particular tree is gonna get lost. So what happens here is that sometimes when you're working, basically when you're working with Catia v5, you just have to rotate or zoom or pan. That's it. You don't have to scroll the mouse. Scrolling mouse is required only when you need to scroll the specification tree. So in this particular case, say if I want to come into one of the say one of the option here, and I need to work on it. So if the specification tree is not there, is really not available, then it's going to be really difficult for you to make some further changes or do some splitting command, etc. So in this case you can see that split command. So if you had to apply a different cutting element over here, then you really want the specification tree. So it's not possible for you to work easily with Catia v5 without specification tree, and if at all you face this problem, then you really need to fix it. So let's just go ahead and do it. So in this particular power input, just go for C, then semicolon, space, swap view, then slash tree. So once you complete this particular command, swap view slash tree, and once you press on enter, what happens is the complete screen becomes dark. So this is what the command which is being used, which we are going to use for the completion of this particular for swapping the tree. So now let's see. I'll just get back to the normal view, and I'll just make my tree as if it's lost. I'll just minimize this. I'll make it in such a way that it's completely lost. Now you cannot find it, and it's really hard. This is not the only case. Sometimes you cannot really find it. See, even if you scroll, you won't be able to find it. So just go here and type C, semicolon, swap, space. You need space over here, swap view slash tree. Once you click on this, the workspace becomes frozen, and then you are in the specification tree. Now if you apply all this command, it's going to work here. So just go for fit all in, and once you click on that, the tree is going to fit into the screen, and that's the best way of resetting, and I think it's the only way of resetting the specification tree successfully in Catia v5. So I hope this particular hint is going to help a lot of Catia users, and let me know if you have any doubts, clarifications. You can always write to me about the queries, and you can always comment on my video. And if you have any further clarifications, or if you want me to log into some project or handle some project, you can always write to me at catia.pro.user, catia.pr.user@gmail.com. And I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned, guys.